Last class we are discussing about the triangles chapter. So today we are also discussing this topic. Okay, now classification of the triangles. Two types of triangles. First one is according to their angles and according to their sides. So in this according to their angles also three types of triangles. So first one is acute angle triangle. Second one is right angle triangle. Third one is obtuse angle triangle. So what is an acute angle triangle? In the triangle, for suppose one triangle we are given, so three vertices. In the one triangle is, so last class we are discussing about this triangle. So one triangle is three vertices and three angles and also three sides. Okay, Nama? So in this three angles is in less than 90 degrees. Is called acute angle triangle. Okay, na children? Next. Right angle triangle. What is a right angle triangle? Exactly 90 degrees angle is in one angle. Is in one angle is exactly 90 degrees. Remaining two angles is less than 90 degrees. So exactly 90 degrees is called right angle triangle. Okay, Nama? Next. Third one is obtuse angle triangle. What is an obtuse angle triangle? One triangle is in more than 90 degrees angle and less than 180 degrees angle. So for example 120 degrees. 120 is in more than 90 degrees angle and less than 180 degrees angle. So this triangle is called obtuse angle triangle. So last class we are discussing about that three angles is in. So addition, sum of the three angles is equal to always 180 degrees angle. Okay, Nama? So 180 degrees. In this triangle is in 90 degrees. Remaining two angles is 45 and 45. So 90 plus 45 and 45, 180 degrees. So angle A and angle B and angle C. Sum of these three triangles is always 180 degrees. Okay, Nama? Remember carefully. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So in this is 120 degrees. So one angle should be 120 degrees. So 180 minus 120 degrees. How much that? Remaining is in 60 degrees. So in this triangle is 40 degrees. In this remaining triangle is in 20 degrees. So these three angles is in obtuse angle triangle. Okay, Nama? According to their angles, three types of angles. First one is acute angle triangle, second one is right angle triangle, third one is obtuse angle triangle. Okay, Nama? Next, classification of this triangle. Second one is according to their sides. For example, any triangle we have taken. So vertices A and vertices B and vertices C. So three sides is in different lengths of this given triangle. So in this AB is in 2 centimeters, AC is in 4 centimeters, BC is in 3 centimeters. So three sides are different lengths. So different lengths of this triangle is called scalene triangle. Okay, Nama? What is that? Scalene triangle. Different lengths of this triangle. So this means AB is not equal to BC is not equal to CA. This triangle is called scalene triangle. So second one is isosceles triangle. What is an isosceles triangle? Two sides should be equal. This side is in 4 centimeters. This side is in 4 centimeters. Next, third side is in 3 centimeters. For suppose. So AB is in CA is equal to 4 centimeters. So third side should be different. Okay, na? So AB is equal to CA but not equal to third side is in BC. So this triangle is called isosceles triangle. Okay, Nama? Next, third one, equilateral triangle. What is an equilateral triangle? Three sides are equal. Okay, na? Three sides are equal 2 centimeters. A, B and C. This side is also 2 centimeters. This side is also 2 centimeters. So three sides are equal. That means AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. So this triangle is called equilateral triangle. So in this scalene triangle is it not equal to symbol is there. So why these three sides is in a different lengths. But in this equilateral triangle equal symbol is in there. Why? in these three sides is in the same length. Okay, Nama? So, according to their angles is in three types of in triangles, and according to their sides is in three types of in triangles. So, now discussing about this two angles and these angles and sides is also problems. Okay, Nama? So, take your textbook, page number 118. Draw that first question. What is that question? So, draw in pencil. So, write this vertices A and vertices B and vertices C. So, what is the angle? Angle A is equal to 75 degrees, angle B is equal to 90 degrees, and angle C is equal to 25 degrees. So, according to the properties of this triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to how many degrees? 180 degrees. So, count this. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 75. Angle A is 75 degrees, angle B is 90 degrees, and angle C is 25 degrees. So 5 plus 0 is 5, and 5 plus 5 is 10. So 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 9 is 16, and 2 is 8. So 180 degrees is given. So in anywhere, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees angles. Okay, na? So in this triangle is in angle B is equal to exactly 90 degrees angle. So in exactly 90 degrees angle is in which triangle in this? Right angle triangle. So what is this name of this triangle? Right angle triangle. Write this, right angle triangle. So, must see in your textbook, page number 118. Okay, na? Classify the triangle according to their angles. Write in this question. Next, draw this first question. Okay, na? Next, second one. So, second diagram we are draw. Draw with pencil and scale also. Okay, na? Angle A is 80 degrees. Angle B is 60 degrees and angle C is 30 degrees. So these three angles is in less than 90 degrees. 80 degrees is less than 90 degrees and 60 degrees also less than 90 degrees and 30 degrees is also less than 90 degrees. So these three angles is in less than 90 degrees. So in this triangle name is, what is this triangle? Acute angle triangle. Write that name. Acute angle triangle. Okay, Rama. Next, third question. Write. Draw that picture. So angle A is 30 degrees. Angle B is 70 degrees. And angle C is 80 degrees. So in this triangle also three angles is in this triangle. So these three triangles are also less than 90 degrees. So less than 90 degrees in this triangle. What is this angle? Acute angle triangle. So acute angle triangle. So I noted this. Next, fourth question. So this is enough. Next, draw that fourth question. So angle A and angle B and angle C. In this angle A is 100 degrees, angle B is 40 degrees, angle C is 40 degrees. Okay, Nama? Angle A is 100 degrees, angle B is 40 degrees and angle C is also 40 degrees. So according to their angles angles of this triangle. So one angle is in must be less than 180 degrees and more than 90 degrees. That means 90 degrees is less than 100 degrees is less than 180 degrees. So in this 100 degrees is in between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. So in this triangle called obtuse angle triangle. So what is this? Obtuse angle triangle. Okay na children. Next next draw that fifth question diagram. So what is it? In this angle A and angle B and angle C. Angle A is equal to 25 degrees. Angle B is equal to 125 degrees. Angle C is equal to 30 degrees. So this is also in angle B is equal to 125 degrees. In this 125 degrees is more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. So 90 degrees is less than 125 degrees is less than 180 degrees. So in this triangle is also called obtuse angle triangle. So what is this? Obtuse angle triangle. Okay, Nama. Write this 5 question and draw with the scale and pencil. Okay, Nama. Next. So in this classification of the triangles according to their angles. Next classification of these triangles according to their sides. So next one is in sides. So next E. Roman number E. Classify the triangles according to their sides. So put that heading and draw that first question. So in first question, what is that first question? So sides of these triangles. So vertices A and vertices B and vertices C. So in AB is equal to 4 centimeters, AC is equal to 4 centimeters. So BC is equal to 3 centimeters. Now look at your textbook, okay na? So in this AB and AC is equal to 4 centimeters. So AB is equal to 4 centimeters. Also CA is equal to 4 centimeters and BC is equal to 3 centimeters. In this question, these two sides should be equal. So AB is equal to CA. But in third side should be different. So what is this triangle name? Already we have discussed these triangles names. So in this triangle name is isosceles triangles. So this triangle name is isosceles triangle. Okay, Nama. So two sides should be equal. So two sides are equal. The triangle name is isosceles triangle. Next, second one. Second diagram here draw. So A, B and C. So in this side is 3.5 centimeters. AB is equal to 3.5 centimeters. AC is equal to 3.5 centimeters and BC is equal to also 3.5 centimeters. So three sides are equal. So that means AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. So three sides are equal. Three sides are equal. The triangle name is equilateral triangle. Okay, Nama? Write that name, equilateral triangle. So in this triangle, three sides are equal. So write this name is equilateral triangle. Write it, Amma. Next third question. Third diagram also draw. So vertices A and vertices B and vertices C. So in AB is equal to 5 centimeters, AC is equal to 5.5 centimeters, and BC is also 4.5 centimeters. So AB is 5, BC is 4.5, AC is 5.5. That means three sides are different. So three sides are different. What is that triangle name? So write that first. AB is not equal to BC, is not equal to CA. So three sides are different. That triangle name is scalene triangle. So three sides are different. That triangle name is scalene triangle. Okay, Nama? Okay. Draw and write that answer. Next, fourth question. Next, fourth question. Draw that picture. So in this vertices A and vertices B and vertices C. In this side is 7 centimeters, in this side is 4 centimeters, in this side is 10 centimeters. So in this triangle is also different sides. So AB is 7 centimeters, BC is 4 centimeters and CA is 10 centimeters. So that means AB is not equal to BC is not equal to CA. Okay, Rama, these three sides are unequal. That means this triangle name is scalene triangle. So this is the scalene triangle. Is the fourth triangle. Next, fifth question. I draw that picture. Fifth one. So in this is 4. Next one, class 5. Find the measure of the third angle. My two angles is in there. In these triangles, the third angle we are measure. Okay, Nama? So write this first. Next one is find the measure of the third angle. So that is also pictures. So first triangle we are drawn. So this is the angle A and vertices B and vertices C. Angle A is equal to 80 degrees. Angle B is equal to 45 degrees. Then find out the third angle. So two angles is given. Third angle we are find out. So the sum of the three angles. What is it? So sum of the three angles is always 180 degrees. Okay, now clear? So sum of the three angles is 180 degrees. So given two angles, angle A and angle B is given. So given two angles is addition. So that is also sum of the given two angles. So sum of the given two angles is 45 degrees and 80 degrees. So 80 degrees plus 45 degrees. So angle A plus angle B. So first addition the two values 80 degrees and 45 degrees. So addition this 0 plus 5 is 5. 8 plus 4 is 12. So given that 80 degrees and 45 degrees is equal to 125 degrees. So given that two angles is in 125 degrees, so total the sum of the three angles is in 180 degrees. What is that formula? Is in the sum of the three angles is equal to given three angle is minus the third angle. Okay, na? So that means 180 degrees is minus 125 degrees. So subtraction these two. 180 degrees is minus 125 degrees. So subtraction 0 minus 5 is possible? Not possible. So borrowing. 10 minus 5. This is 8 minus 1 is so 7. 10 minus 5 is 5. Next 7 minus 2 is also 5. So what is it? 55 degrees is given. So angle C is equal to 55 degrees. That means the third angle is equal to 55 degrees. This is the third angle. Okay, Rama. What is this question? Two angles is given. Third angle is find out. So angle C is equal to 55 degrees. Okay, noted, and next second diagram also draw. So second question. So draw that second picture. So angle A are B and C. Angle A is equal to 35 degrees. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Find out the third angle. So third angle we are find out. So sum of the three angles, that means angle A plus angle B plus angle C. So sum of means addition of these three angles. So addition symbol is there. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So these two angles is addition. So angle B plus angle A plus angle B is equal to 35 degrees plus 90 degrees. So addition these two. 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 9 is 12. So angle A and angle B is equal to 125 degrees. So 180 degrees is minus 125 degrees. Why that is minus is given? So angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. Is a plus symbol is an equal to inside, so minus symbol is there. So that means angle C is equal to 180 degrees is minus angle A plus angle B. Okay, Rama? Now clear? So angle A plus angle B is how many degrees? 125 degrees. So angle C is equal to 180 degrees is minus 125 degrees. Now clear? 180 degrees is subtract the 125 degrees. So 180 degrees is minus 125 degrees. So subtraction symbol is there. 0 minus 5 is possible? Not possible, so borrowing. So 10 minus 5. So 1 is the borrowing, so 8 minus 1 is 7. 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 2 is also 5. So angle C is equal to 55 degrees. Okay, Nama? So these two angles is 90 and 35 degrees. Third angle should be 55 degrees. Now find out these three angles is addition. So that given 180 degrees. 90 plus 35 plus 55 is also addition. 90 and 35 and 55. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13 plus 5 is 180. Okay, Nama? These three angles is addition also 180 degrees. Okay, na? Now clear? Okay. So noted the second answer and draw the third diagram. So third diagram, Amma. So vertices A and vertices B and vertices C. So first one is angle A is 25 degrees, angle B is 15 degrees. Find out the third angle. So also angle A plus angle B plus angle C. We know that sum of the three angles is 180 degrees. So given angles is in addition, angle A plus angle B is equal to how much that? 25 degrees plus 15 degrees. 5 plus 5 is 10. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 40 degrees. So in this angle A and angle B is 40 degrees. So third angle we are find out. So in this angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So in these two angle A and angle B, two angles is in addition and equal to inside, that is subtraction and equal to outside. Okay, Nama? In these two angles, angle C is equal to 180 degrees is minus angle A plus angle B. So how much that angle A and angle B addition? 40 degrees. So angle C is equal to 180 degrees is minus 40 degrees. So subtraction these two, 180 degrees is minus 40 degrees. So 0 minus 0 is 0. So 8 minus 4 is 4 and 1 is down. So angle C is equal to 140 degrees. Okay, Nama? So third angle should be 140 degrees. So angle C is equal to 140 degrees. If this is also find out these three angles is adjacent. 140 and 25 plus 15 is in 40. So 140 plus 40 is also 180 degrees. Okay, Nama? So every angle or every triangle is in three angles. Sum of the three angles is always 180 degrees. Okay, na? Don't forget that. Remember carefully. So write this third answer. Draw that fourth question.